What's up, guys? Welcome to another very short episode. The weather is finally back to normal here in New Mexico. Sunny, 50, 60, winter. Just had to get out for a little hike. So today I figured, since I did the tutorial, the last video that I did was the astrophotography tutorial, and I told you guys I would show you how I edited the images or how to edit them. So I did do a quick speed edit of this image here, and I figured I'd go ahead and post that so you guys could check it out and at least see. It's not going to be an in-depth tutorial, but you are going to be able to see what I'm doing and how I did it and everything. So hopefully this will at least give you a little bit of an idea of what was going on in my head and how I'm doing things and that kind of thing, and you'll be able to see. Anyways, here it is. Enjoy. All right, that was it. So that was pretty simple processing on my part, nothing too complicated. But if you have any questions about anything that I did there that you guys want to know about specifically, leave those in the comments below and I'll definitely answer them. If you like this stuff and you want to see more, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I will also put up an actual tutorial on how to edit night shots and star shots and Milky Way shots and all that stuff in the future, just not yet, but that will be coming. So don't think that this is the end all be all of my tutorials on editing night stuff, because that was just a speed edit. So anyways, hit that like button if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.